High in the Kuman Hills lies Sattal, a serene cluster of 7 lakes, where forests meet water, and every branch, every ripple, carries a song. For bird lovers, this is no less than a temple of music. The Himalayan Bulbul, with its crown-like crest, is a true mountain minstrel. Watch how it hops onto the stump to feast on seeds, a familiar sight in village courtyards. The green-backed tit comes fluttering down, pausing for a quick dip in the water. Tiny in size, but vital in keeping the forest buzzing with life. In just a flash, the oriental white-eye darts in, picks a morsel, and vanishes. Their cheerful flocks are the forest's own little lanterns. The oriental magpie robin sits alert on the perch. In folklore, its dawn song is believed to call the rains. On the forest floor, the black francolin scratches and feeds. Its bold call at sunrise is considered a good omen for farmers. Bright and sociable, the plum-headed parakeets gather to feed. Once celebrated in royal gardens, they are believed to be the mount of Kamadeva, the god of love. The black-naped woodpecker drills into the wooden stump, searching for hidden treats. Villagers call them the carpenters of the gods, drumming life into the trees. Graceful and gentle, the oriental turtle dove feeds quietly around the stump. In the Mahabharata, a dove was saved by King Shibi, symbolizing compassion and sacrifice. A white-throated laughing thrush hops in, chuckles with its friends, and flies away. Their loud chorus has earned them the name, forest gossipers. The blue whistling thrush arrives with flair, dipping, drinking, and shaking its feathers. Called the Whistling Raja, its flute-like song is the soundtrack of mountain rivers. Each of these birds plays a part in the great orchestra of Sattal. Some sing, some drum, some laugh, and some whisper. But together, they remind us that nature is not silent, it is a living concert, playing since time immemorial. All we need to do is pause, listen, and protect the stage on which this music unfolds.